Welcome to this video on crafting your independence. We explore how Color Glo International can help you build a life defined by freedom, dedicated craftsmanship, and a lasting legacy. Moving away from corporate constraints, Color Glo offers a resilient, high-margin mobile business model. This approach grants you true time wealth and autonomy, letting you set your own schedule and priorities. Our proprietary system provides a distinct advantage over traditional repair methods. We use environmentally friendly, odorless, water-based formulas that allow for immediate professional-grade results without hazardous downtime. Quality drives our growth flywheel. By deploying superior technology on site, our franchisees build immediate trust and a reputation that generates consistent, referral-based business across multiple sectors. The addressable market is vast. Beyond automotive, our core technology allows for precision restoration in residential furniture, commercial and medical facilities, as well as marine and aviation sectors. Success with Color Glo is agnostic of background. Whether you come from logistics, sales, or management, our franchisees find success by applying their unique skills to our proven business framework. Ultimately, this journey is about reclaiming your most valuable asset, time. Many of our franchisees have found the perfect balance between professional satisfaction and being truly present for their families. Even experienced technicians and skeptics are won over by the performance of our products. Industry professionals consistently report that our solutions exceed their expectations for quality and ease of use. We support building a legacy that lasts. The story of the Violante family illustrates how a commitment to quality and craftsmanship can evolve into a multi-generational business endeavor. A successful franchisee possesses a unique blend of traits: a curious mind, an honest voice, skilled hands, and a heart dedicated to their family and personal independence. While you are in business for yourself, you are never by yourself. We provide an intensive foundation, real-time technical support, and global mentorship to guide your success every step of the way. Since 1975, Color Glo has grown into a global brand. We invite you to join a network of people focused on perfecting their craft and building a meaningful life in their own communities.